All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the Mac Flex Head Ratchet. Now, I bought this ratchet strictly to review because I'm going to tell you one of the things I can't stand about this, and it is 100% personal preference. The grip. It's too small for me. It's not comfortable for me. It's just too small. I like my Matco ratchets, but the thing about it is it is 100% personal preference. If they modified this, I would love this ratchet. The locking mechanism, I think, is even better than the Matco because it is a push button. Now, admittedly, you could probably wind up hitting this on a frame rail or something like that and releasing it, but generally, you're not going to be. The Snap-on, which I don't have, has that slide on the handle. I can't stand that because that will get hit on stuff. So that is really nice. The locking flex head is very positive, and well, it's a good design. I really do like that. It's really nice feeling ratchet. The locking head is great. Like I said, this is way better than even the Matco system, which is what I use. The ratcheting mechanism is nice and smooth. Obviously haven't broken it because, well, I tell you, I've tried to use this as much as I can just to get a feel for it. It's been good. I really have been impressed with it. It ratchets nice. Like I said, the flex head has been great. And, well, positive, changing directions is really positive. It's just a really good ratchet design. I go back to using one of the hard handle Macs back in the day that had the floppy head, like the Snap-ons. And while it was a coarse tooth ratchet, I loved that ratchet till I had my tools stolen out of my truck in Maryland, so I didn't have it anymore. And they don't make that design anymore, so I couldn't buy it anymore. But definitely, if you're in the market for a ratchet, definitely check out the Mac truck and try these ratchets out. They're durable, they work well, and if the handle doesn't bother you, well, they're good. I can highly recommend this ratchet system, and it looks nice too. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this review. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.